Kriyas are special yoga technique meant to cleanse the inner organ developed by yogis. Breathing is very important for the body to go on smoothly. Now we are going to see the sectional breathing, which aligns the lungs and improves the capacity of the lungs and develops the immune system of the lungs. Just sit relaxedly in a comfortable position in Padmasana or Vajrasana. Just open up your collarbones, raise both the shoulders. As you raise both the shoulders up, you are inhaling. As both the shoulders are down, you are exhaling. Do it in a rhythmic way, the inhalation and exhalation in a very smoother way. Now feel the body. More oxygen is inside. Relax. Now we are doing the activation for the mid part of the lungs, opening up the elbow. The air is inside. Closing both the hands. You are exhaling. Just feel the body. Relax yourself. Yeah, now is the third part we are going to go. It's a diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. As you inhale, the abdomen has to bulge out, and as you exhale, the abdomen has to suck in. Just do it in a smoother, rhythmic way so that the lower part of the lungs is activated. 20 times is advisable for the beginner, and you have to repeat it 3 cycles, that is 60 strokes of breathing to be done. Feel the body, feel the fresh air entering the lungs. Relax yourself. Pranayama and Kriyas are special yoga techniques meant to cleanse the inner organs developed by yogis in ancient days to regulate the lungs function and to throw out all the unwanted viruses and infections from the body. The Kapalbhati Kriya is one of the important Kriya. This Kriya cleanses the lungs and throws out all the unwanted carbon and unwanted things from the lungs. Just sit in a Padmasana position or Vajrasana. Relaxedly. Just having a Nasika Mudra, doing an alternate nostril breathing, closing the right nostril and throwing out the air in the left nostril in an alternate way. Air is forced out during the sudden burst of exhalation through the alternate nostrils. This has to be done 20 rounds, and just relax for a while. Watch the breath. Relaxedly. Now we are going for Kapalbhati. The Kapalbhati is one of the greatest breathing technique. Just throwing out the air from both the nostrils as the abdomen is sucked in. So the burst of abdominal pressure given out through the nostrils, the navel is sucked in, and when you do it in a rhythmic way, the exhale forcibly as burst using the abdominal muscle. Inhale passively by relaxing. Feel the body, then do it again 20 times. For beginners, 2 cycles can be done, that is 40 strokes of breathing, and after a week can be done 3 cycles, that is 60. Feel the body in a relaxed state. This develops a lot of immune system to the lungs, and it is the greatest de-stressor, relaxes the entire body. This is a Adi Mudra, exhale breathing. It is developed by yogis just to cleanse the entire upper body. The Adi Mudra is nothing but folding the thumb finger and keeping it under the little finger, and all the other fingers just closing the thumb. As the hands are up, you are inhaling, stretching the upper body, entire lungs and shoulders. And as the hands are down, forcibly you are throwing out the air out. When the hands are up, inhale. Hands down, exhale. When the hands are up, the fingers are open. And as you come down, you come in the Adi Mudra. This Adi Mudra is very effective. It relaxes you. It gives strength to the entire lungs. It takes away all the tension of the body-mind. It develops the immune of the total body. Agnya breathing just keeping the index finger and the middle finger at the Agnya chakra and closing the nostril, either right nostril or the left nostril, and inhaling and exhaling through a single nostril. First, to start with, the right nostril. A minimum of 6 to 12 cycles of inhalation and exhalation in the same nostril is for the beginners, and you can go up to 20 cycles of inhalation and exhalation. This cleanses your connectivity of lungs to the brain. The oxygen supply track is totally cleared. In traditional way, this is called Aloma breathing, Surya Bedana or Chandra Bedana breathing. When you do it right, it is Surya Bedana. When you do it in the left nostril, it is Chandra Bedana. This gives a great relaxation and energize the entire system of the body and develops a lot of immunity to the breathing supporting organs.